Is it possible to find out which condition is being met in a multi-condition if-then statement? I'm working on a Python beautiful soup web scraper. I'm searching for certain keywords. My statement looks like this. What I would like to do is find out which one of those keywords is making the statement true. My first instinct would be to write a nested loop to check, but I wasn't sure if there was a way to capture the value that makes the statement true that would involve less code.
Edit, change to only find first name.
I would use a generator comprehension that I would pass to next with a default value. If the comprehension doesn't find anything, next returns the default value, else it returns the first found and stops there, kind of any, but which stores the result.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.